Achu Kamdaya Pauping Armed Forces Special Power Act hi Kushok na sakngaya the Chief Minister and Biren Singh na hanga National People's Party NPP with candidate list Courage Shokhaira State na Republic Day Mayon Kawai Kangoran Sapokhaira Lekhyang Tor, Aju the Tangkhul Express with power Ringphawon Zimik na pamidlay, Aju pao may sa ina nganang rumsa. Armed Forces Special Power Act hi Kushok na sagnaya, Kerju wivang Central Shong ina Pabda Kangrok Lepulungra, Kaja National Security hina, top priority na the Chief Minister and Biren Singh na hanga. Chief Minister Jina Kahang Central Shokarwi, Kamaya ina Atam Ramamanda, Afspa Kushok Haura Kaji Shitsanga. Ka itumna paningi gajiva itumi thari share gasa Myanmar le political stability malay manada Chief Minister na hanga Ajuwi election hili BJP na khuyya ngasalagra kajiwi shit kasangla Chief Minister na hangda ajuwi hili BJP seat machine double matai sangra 2 to 3rd majority khuyra da hanga BJP na pre-poll alliance saki kajiva malay mana ka post-poll alliance kana aka Sabai kajihi hanga. Chief Minister Biren Nakahang ala Manipuri akasada. Kala Manipur with Chief Minister akala sada afspahi kushok na sangaya. Ka itumi ground situation mayangla masabai mana. La national interest la yang plungra. Central Shorkar li kangasan malayla masabai mana da Chief Minister Biren hanga. National People's Party NPP with candidate list Courage Shokhaira. Candidates Makuwe Aming Pong Mihaira. Assembly constituencies Makuli NPP with Aina contest. Saki Kuchi candidates being a Chaili 3 Kurai Assembly constituency li. Lai Tonjam Jayananda 10 Uripok AC li. Yumnan Joy Kumar 12 Keshamthong AC li L Jayanda Kumar 13 Singjamai AC li Oinam Roman 17 Lamshang AC li Sumati Devi 23 Mayang Imphal AC li Ramesh Singh 33 Herok AC li N Diten Singh 41 Jandil AC li Lun Khopau Apau Hiping Hi Changdalai Rakrai Assembly election wivang National People's Party with manifesto la Shokhaira NPP with manifesto G People's Action document 2022 hoda NPP Chief Conrad Sangmana online Rani li Manipur Deputy Chief Minister Y Joy Kumar Singh NPP State Working President Jayanda Kumar Singh Kala Arunachal NPP President Mutchu Mithi Chanda release Samia NPP with manifesto Maram Tharada Kutumli Matailak and the political issues climate change healthcare women gender justice, education hikatha changdalai. Manipur we aina afspa Kushok Hawai ot Sara Kuchihila NPP with manifesto chili changa. Community psycho ruwe indigenous rights protect sa insurgent grouping li chan ngaje khwirada chingri kahai khwira kawai kasa la human rights violations address kasa hikatha hila NPP with manifesto chili changdalai. State na Republic Day Mayon Khawai Khangaran Sapokhaira. Republic Day with March past li contingent tharada shini changkida leidle. Governor La Ganesana Chithang Maso wasada Kangla li salute khwira. Kala Chief Minister Biren Singh na 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Parade Ground li ningashitui mikida leidle. Khangacha Republic Day thang Ringphawon li reception kami la cultural program lei kuchichi achukumwa COVID mi mauna maram sada chikathaji malai mara chia. Republic Day Wivang the Kamataya Shongfu Pingli traffic Mamar Khawai traffic diversion la traffic control police wing na ngaran haira. Congress we candidate list li mi hangmati we aming pong mi haira. Ticket Masam Kapang Kaikha la list chili Maring Kapa Congress workers Kaikana party we election booth Sagazam mi hawa the Hindu we pau aina sampanga. Imphal West Heyang Lam Assembly Constituency li workers Kaikana Congress Party Philan aina banners ngakhunta mi hawa la party we philan li la naishanda Maring Kapa Phongshoka chia. Election hili we by shun kahai chance mathalak aina khale politicians li yankhai hawa the protest kasa workers kai khana hanga thui gahai haptale Bishnupur Kumbi Assembly constituency li Congress office chunghai laga ranking member psycho resign sa gahai Paula Samphanga Atumna kahang candidate Kagabangli Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President and Lokena party workers wi hangasang mukwisang tuwa chia Banjab wi Doba apam kala Manipur Kupung district ping COVID vaccination coverage makamathale changdale kala makap khangai khalai wiwang authorities na ning ka shakdalai chia Banjab lila Manipur lila overall vaccination coverage national average we azingli leida khlaina chia Ituna phaningung pai rakrai election wiwang khangran sada stately vaccination coverage kami lungsan mai khawai election commissioner hanga haina State we additional chief secretary V Wunglongmang na itili kahang vaccination coverage hi census machingli pan laga kasamaning mana kasang khare filli khawatharan vaccine kapran machine na census with machingli chungmai saya COVID ariji makap khangai laya kha chingai ronda swita mamanda leichia Ukhrul lila chithada makap khangai leisai kha apam chili khawatharan corporation samphanga da anahanga senior officer akhanala kahang ari makap khangai hi ari wi maram makhamusung social media li khangayaw aina la raya kha ya rili khamusung hangjithe khawai kasali church pingnala ngachon da leida officer jina hanga Myanmar wi mi makada khani India li jangkhawai kasa achonghon tukhui haira PVCP Khuden Thabili IGAR South Technoble Battalion routine checks khawali mi pingji illegally India jangkhawai chatkasa samka phangna chia athumji Indian Nationals tharada khani wi khangjon janglaga chatkasana da Assam Rifles wi PRO na hanga tukhui gahai pingchili more police li rukhuri khawai kala legal action wiwang misang haira Southeast Asia li COVID case chungsangda khalehi matailak aina India wi aina shokda leida World Health Organization na hanghaira Chadra ka hai haptali India wi COVID cases 150% matai ka sang thekhuya chia Omicron variant la ngayaw mamanda other countries shakha hangshini da akha kadale variant chi samphanghaira the World Health Organization na hanga SARS-CoV-2 li pantam akha Omicron ka gaza aina severe ka sa la kathi hi tiomai sala la Omicron we overall risks high sala ka the WHO na hanga aya with DSO report atishuda Ukhrul district li COVID positive mi akha samphangli haira Arishang kala COVID care center we aina mi khanili aya discharge sada ariri mingchan sada take a high active case tharada shini leida leichia COVID second wave khara hili Ukhrul district li COVID positive sambanga hai hi aya we akhaji changda thingkha shajiko tharada phanga ka shung haira lodwida khamataya pawping Armed Forces Special Power Act hi Khushok na sakngaya the Chief Minister N Biren Singh na hanga National People's Party NPP we candidate list khare shokhaira State na Republic Day mayon khawai khangran sapokhaira Achu pau henang changhaira pau na da khlei na tum sai ko rele ringapha kala khama haya Zimik show ngsa serano